Hello, welcome to the channel Salchi. I'm Saloni and today I'll be presenting you some B words for improving your vocabulary. So, starting from the first word, baffle. B-A-F-F-L-E, baffle. The meaning of the word is something which is extremely complicated or difficult to understand. This word can be very well used with some things, or you come across a situation or acts in which you find it difficult to tell. Okay, so now the synonym is puzzled or perplex. The antonym is to clarify. The tenses of the word is present tense, baffle, past tense, baffled, and future tense, will baffle. The sentence for the word is Manya was completely baffled by his behavior. Now, talking about the usage of the word in our daily lives, this word can be very well connected with when you talk about something that you find difficult in studies. You find it difficult to understand. You can say that this chapter was something which made you baffled, extremely confusing. Okay? Thank you. Coming on to the second word, which is breach. B-R-E-A-C-H, breach. The meaning of the word is breaking or violating the code of conduct. It could also be an agreement or various other things. If you're violating or breaking through that thing, this is known as breaching. Now, the synonym of the word is gap or aperture. When we talk about the word breach, we also connect it with the word gap, because we can also say that there was a breach, etc. in the wall anywhere. So you can simply connect it with the word gap. Antonym is accordance, and the tense is breach, past tense is breached, future tense is will breach. The sentence usage for the word is they were sued for breach of conduct. As I previously mentioned while I was telling about the meaning of the word, that it is usually referred for violating or breaking of certain laws, agreements or code of conduct. Therefore, we connected the word breach with it. Now coming on to the third one is bifurcate. B-I-F-U-R-C-A-T-E. The word is bifurcate. Now it means that dividing into two parts or branching it. Now we usually say bifurcating is not connected with just simply dividing of the rivers or etc. We can also connect it with your day-to-day life, as in bifurcating the products, bifurcating the clothes, etc. etc. So next time when you want to say separating or dividing the things, you can use the word bifurcating. Now the synonym is bisect, and the antonym is connect. Tenses for the word bifurcate is present tense bifurcate, past tense bifurcated, future tense will bifurcate. The sentence usage for the word bifurcate is the stream bifurcates into two narrow channels. So when we're talking about bifurcation, we're talking about the division, bisection. So here's the word bifurcate. Now coming on to our next word is brisk. B-R-I-S-K, brisk. Brisk means being very quick and energetic, responding very well within a short span. Now we have the word synonym of the word, which is rapid. Antonym of the word is slow or sluggish. Next time when you want to say the word slow or a very low paced, you can also use the word sluggish. Now we have the tenses for the word, which is brisk, present tense, past tense is brisked, Future tense is will brisk. Sentence usage for the word brisk is she walks at a brisk pace. You can also use the word in your day-to-day language by substituting the word very fast, quick, etc. with the word brisk. Brisk I've used here for describing someone's footsteps. When people are walking, they are usually walking at a very fast pace. So you can simply say the person walks very briskly, etc. Okay. Coming on to our last word, which is brawl. Brawl means a rough or a noisy fight, which is usually kind of rustic. The usage of the word is pretty rustic. Now we have the synonym for this word is fight or wrestle, and the antonym is whisper, softness, calmness, having tranquil behavior. And now we have the tenses. The tenses for the word brawl is present tense, brawl, past tense, brawled, future tense is will brawl. Sentence usage for the word brawl is they caught up in a street brawl, which means that we usually come across fights which are done on the streets, or maybe we see the vegetable market, fish market, or usually the way the class is described as when it's very noisy or boisterous. So we usually use the word as brawl. Okay, so now let's take a quick revision of all the words. Our first word is baffle, which means extremely confusing or difficult. Second word is breach, which means breaking through. And the third word is bifurcate, which means dividing the things. And then our fourth word is brisk, which means quick and energetic. And then the fifth and the last word is brawl, which means a noisy fight. So, thank you. Hope you will inculcate these words in your day-to-day language. And please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, Salchi. Thank you.